I'm so excited I got my new KitchenAid stand mixer, and the model I chose to buy was the Ultra Power Plus. If you guys are looking to invest in one, you should definitely check out this model. So stick with me while I test it out and show you its features. So the Ultra Power Plus comes with a 300 watt motor, and sliding this lever over lets you tilt the head up and tilt it down and then lock it into place. The accessories include a beater for your cakes and pastries, a dough hook for kneading your dough, and a wire whip for doing fast whipping. And they're all really easy to just slide on and off. And if you're lucky, you'll even get a pouring shield included with your set. So mine came with a 4.5 steel bowl with a handle. And it's really easy to just clamp it into the base here. You just pop it in and give it a twist. It comes with a 10-speed control, starting from stirring all the way to 10. Stir being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Comes with an attachment hub, and it comes with a whole bunch of accessories that you can buy separately, and I can show you that in my next video. So please be sure to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button with your notification bell turned on. So here I'm making a chocolate cake, so I'm going to test out the beater first. Pop in the bowl and lower the head down very carefully because this is actually quite heavy. Lock it into place and put it on stir first. Ooh, and look at that. I'm going to increase the speed here a little bit to 2 and then to 4, which is the medium setting. And there you have it, beautifully beaten. I'm just going to show you the bottom of the bowl here. There's nothing left at the bottom. It scraped the whole thing off. So next I want to try my dough hook. So I'm going to tilt the head back and pop on my dough hook. So on our first attempt we have some flour with some butter mixed in, and we were so excited to try the dough hook, and we popped it on stir first to mix the butter into the flour. And we just started adding water to it, and we were so excited about trying it out and watching the dough hook go round and round and try and make the dough, that we just kept on adding the water, and we kind of ended up with a sticky mess. So we had to add some more flour in there to try and get it back to a normal consistency. So you can see here it's quite sticky. So whatever you do, don't make that same mistake. So on my second attempt I measured 2 cups of flour, and this is what I mean when I say it's heavy, so you have to lower it down very gently. And here I have 1 cup of water. I'm going to use the pouring shield here. Switch it on to stir and then gradually add the water. It's not really splashing anywhere, so I'm just going to remove the shield so you guys can see properly. And what you're going to want to do is gradually add the water, and you can see it forming into a nice dough. Once it's all mixed together, I'm just going to increase the speed to 2, and then I'm going to increase it to 4, and that will be the maximum. You don't want to use a very high speed because it'll damage the motor when you're making dough. When you put the speed above 4, you'll notice the machine start to shake and vibrate, so you really want to keep it on speed level 4. So you can see it's done a really good job of making the dough. It's taken it all from the bottom as well. It hasn't left any powder residue at the bottom. And the consistency is really good. I just used 1 cup of water with 2 cups of chapati flour. Depending on the type of flour that you're using, you'll need to adjust the water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this for 10 minutes to let it set. And after 10 minutes, I'm just going to knead the dough again for 1 or 2 minutes. And now you can see that the texture is much better after letting it rest for at least 10 minutes. Okay guys, so that's all for now. Please be sure to watch out for more videos.